Check up, please.
And we get the first verse of Naija FM for studio right now.
First voice.
You got to find
No wonder. After they shout, Baba go there. You don't answer me.
I don't want you making me call your back. Go there. You know the year.
Even me said the time. Baba go there. So I think she did do it subconsciously because it did not do.
No, then
he reached. There was a time when she tried. Stop to the call you Baba go there. You call say her voice can calm down. You know they shout again. I think you call the caller.
First voice.
Yeah, first voice. But only 1 week.
She need to stop. They call your back.
But you don't hold that.
I never old. What do you mean by old?
Yeah,
now by gray hair person they old.
But it's one of the signs.
You never see young people with the 20s to get gray hair.
Where they show me there? Show me there.
You never see people with get gray hair.
Can you categorize yourself among them?
I don't understand.
What will be ancestors?
What will be your definition of old? What is your definition of old?
You be a pa.
What will be your definition of old?
You be a wine.
Wine. Okay, wine.
Wine na Isha.
So they na.
Now
who?
It didn't know that woman. Like
lady,
grandmother.
Because they call me the Lady J. What you go call?
You know quoi.
What's it that one mean?
They all are like the great-grandmother of them. That's for your market.
So in the north side they say Lady J don't old.
No, for where Becca did. If Becca did.
What's even be the difference between your age and my own? We don't just old.
You want to compare your age with me?
What will be the difference, Seth? I don't understand.
When you over 25 years, say senior me.
Abba.
You call me your daddy.
Now so you young me, so they collect 25 years.
25 years.
Becca use 10 years, say senior me. Lady J now they look like 20 years.
This kind 20 years.
I'm the youngest in Naija FM.
Be quiet. Youngest.
You have seen a small man. You are paying for the drag age.
Wait till be the great grandfather for Edo State.
So you want me to say now you Amolo old pass you?
Amolo.
Amolo go old pass.
No, old pass and where Amolo small boy.
No.
Amolo na small man. I'm not sure.
What's they talk
with that kind of body?
Amolo na small boy.
Where R&B day?
Yes, nah.
Are you serious?
No,
You not sure? We sabi and pass.
I'm not going to come at you.
He said, "What did he say?
Come at you.
Yeah, he not what.
R&B, I know go green. May you spoil my market this morning. I know they as old as you. They emphasize. I make I tell you. All of us. No problem. Wisdom, no problem. Shebi they make fun of me now.
No fun.
You go reach that age.
No, but I never reached there actually now.
You take me like old age they determine wisdom. Not be by old age, in fact, the problem what we get for this country now old age gone.
Now you just wait till they cause.
Now we be the country we get the highest number of ex-head of state and president where they are alive. I don't know what they see.
I guess that's the way they interesting for you.
They're not going to go.
Sleeping naked. They talk say they prove male fertility.
Improve male fertility.
Yes.
I don't understand. I tell the improver.
Let me break it down for you.
That Dr. Peng with that.
Yes. Dr. Pengin on top Twitter. He first put sleeping naked helps you to fall asleep faster. Sleeping naked gives you better sleep quality. Sleeping naked reduces stress and anxiety. Sleeping naked promotes vaginal health. Sleeping naked improves male fertility. Don't read without sharing. You can't continue the tweet. He said your body temperature is one key to how you fall asleep. It's part of your circadian rhythm. The biological rhythm that acts as your body's clock for sleep. Cooling down tells your body that it's time to sleep. So sleeping naked and allowing your body temperature to go down can actually help you to fall asleep faster. He said, come get one 2012 study from the National Institute of Health. We can find out, say, the temperature of the room where you sleep. Now, one of the most important factor in achieving quality sleep.
Yeah.
If it is too cold or too hot, you risk impacting your rapid eye movement sleep.
Now if sometimes you sweat, you know if you enjoy sleep, they wake up different intervals.
They say which is the dream stage of sleep that helps refresh your brain and body. Sleeping naked is one way to stay cool beneath the covers. He say why stress and anxiety can both cause insomnia. It is important to remember that improving your sleep quality and getting enough sleep may help. Sleeping naked is also a great way to increase. No, I won't go to that man home.
Oh no, Becca, this is too long.
And now I won't go to the men own. He said regardless for the men, regardless of what you wear during the day, sleeping naked is an easy way to air out your V area and help it healthy. For the men, sleeping naked is a great way to keep testicles cool at an optimal temperature, and they say they're very good for the sperm.
Exactly. Who in the tell?
From experience.
Who from experience? How many Nigerians they sleep in that condition when they talk? Not be why they sleep, they determine.
Sleep naked.
I don't understand. Person will get one room with 4 children and wife. What did they talk now?
Okay, even me when I get one.
All this way they talk now.
I stop to the
in an ideal condition where you say the person number one, the person they sleep for where lights day. No, where lights day you get. Wait.
It's even better.
Don't be somebody when there is no lights. They get light after 2 weeks. Which one never day?
Never they do well.
Speak for yourself, for your area. Not be everybody.
But somebody talk to their light too. No,
not be everybody. You get people say they complain they don't get light. Stop. How many players
get problem?
Yeah, either they get light. No mean say you go to generalize.
See,
Nigeria where we dey.
Yes.
Most people they poor.
So they most
people they live for face me and face you. They don't about to sleep naked
because their children did there.
Yes, that's so. Before you don't say sleeping naked, they improve. Now poor people they born pass.
Hold on, now.
He said sleeping naked they improve fertility. Okay, the people they sleep for heat when they don't get light for one room. How our parents say born us for room and value 7 children.
Never understand.
We know,
More check those people when they face me and face you. If you notice that they hardly even wear night wear. Most time a rapper which they go put take cover when they don't they use and take cover only their waist. And also forget sleeping naked they help reduce heat, especially when you don't get light.
I mean in those days now in those days our parents they tie rapper. These days parents know they tie rapper for night again. Especially when you get plenty children. Especially when you get plenty children. But when you get 4 children, 5 children for house, room and parlor, you want them to sleep naked. How?
Even me, my children get their room. In as much as they sleep for their room, overnight they come. So because of that, I know they would sleep naked since I don't born them.
Make your pikin no come they ask you question.
One day because before you wake up, you the tap.
Lock the door. Anybody you lock the door now.
No, nah.
The only time when sleeping naked they make sense to me.
And then they cry.
The only time sleeping naked they make sense to me. If not be only me they that bed. You understand?
What about your wife?
Now they tell you so. If not only me they sleep, maybe my wife no day travel. So like, why go sleep naked? I go cover my body. Make no. I can't like to sleep without AC.
So now you're not understandable.
But to generalize and say sleeping naked they improve fertility.
Not true.
A lot of poor people when if you have to sleep. They born pass. Meanwhile, big men will get 6-7 bedroom duplex. Therefore, house they sleep alone for their room.
First this from Benue talk say. That man don't know what he's saying. He said, me, anytime I sleep naked, spirit wife, they come make love.
No, you get mommy water problem, my brother.
You need spiritual help. You need deliverance.
So, again, see the same Dr. Peng. He said shawarma can cause cancer. He write up plenty times.
Okay.
He said don't read without sharing. He said shawarma has become a stable junk in Nigeria, mostly preferred by young ladies who almost can't go a day without taking a bite. Is it safe? Before we delve into the dangers of shawarma, perhaps it will be wise to discuss the health benefits. Yes, there are a handful of health benefits. It can't stay so. It's a good shawarma are usually prepared with a lot of vegetable.
Yeah.
This is good form of fiber which ensures a healthy digestive system. He says some shawarmas are made with chicken, which is a good source of protein, vitamin, and some healthy fats. He said, which have he never said that one. He said, which have the propensity to cause cancer. That same protein. So when chicken. Yes, so when they talk, he say hot dogs, which is the most dangerous one, contain preservative and unhealthy fatty acid, which is detrimental to heart health and brain health. Of course, having a bite of shawarma will not automatically give you cancer. These things na cumulative effect when you chop and regularly. He say, what can you do to help yourself? He say, always have it at the back of your mind that shawarma is unhealthy. Therefore, reduce how frequent you eat them. Go for the one with more vegetables. Instead of the fresh meat,
then avoid the hot dog inside. Yes. Okay, avoid the hot dog. So maybe the chicken and the vegetable is
you feel liver. Even the chicken said, make sure say they not pack all those oily thing.
I mean they don't put the skin basically.
Okay, you get where they buy shawarma from.
Now wait, I just want to talk now.
They not they put hot dog one. Then the meat when they dey inside now very small. But if you see leave, my brother, sometimes they call myself goat because I'm and the thing now leber they come pack garlic. Is it garlic? Garlic. Put inside. Yeah. So sometimes the garlic they plenty pass the chicken.
So it is sweet.
It is nice. It is nice.
Because,
I know they
very
creamy.
If me they eat shawarma, the one where they like now.
Yeah.
The way they mix both beef and chicken. And then they go put hot dog inside.
No, you need to stop her.
Plus vegetables. But you see, like in talk, now once in a while.
Especially
like
that hot dog.
Like now, the last time I visited that shawarma like 3 weeks ago. You understand?
Okay, that
now
was
eat okay. No be saying I eat every day.
Me.
I know somebody.
Like 3 Fridays ago, I eat. I know I eat one full one. That one I see cut into like 3. Eat one part inside. You understand? So now I feel say most of these things now.
No
overdoing it, then they cause the problem.
And that size where you describe. I know somebody where go buy like 2.
You go chopper
with soda.
What do you mean? Okay, that guy. You know they again now. No, that guy. No hope. You know, why person don't conclude say like this. That's how I go die. So I just enjoy my life. Everybody will die after all. Now be in motto.
This person say we cannot afford to be sleeping naked in Nigeria because EFCC, police, and no government
can come anytime.
Anytime for night.
Nah, see, if you listen, where even you say by every other person when they complain about sleeping naked, no be saying for no like one, like just the condition.
Yes, like the condition because you know they're favorable to the sleep naked. The only time when they sleep, don't you want to leave for house 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom? Okay, fine. Even if I want to sleep naked, say I go lock my door. So anybody they know
who's the advantage?
When they knock, I go lock first just so before you open the door. You don't really leave the door open.
Me.
I never even door finish. Now my daughter come me say. Say daddy, Doyo says if you should eat your bread in the fridge. I say, is it that my bread? I say, go. I say, tell him to give you the bread. Bring the bread. Let me see it. He can't bring the bread. Come. I can't look at okay, the bread still big enough. So official, I can't say okay, go out. Tell him to warm the bread, to put out for microwave. You know, I go put bread for microwave, go come soft. I said, tell him to put it in the microwave. When the bread don't hot, warm, he should bring it. Let me take my own out of the bread and give the remaining one to him. My daughter go, come back. After like 10 minutes, I said, I've been sending the children to bring, but then the mama call. My daughter come at the, what did you say? I said, where is the bread? No, I gave it to them like this. I said, what is it? All of us shared it.
And all of us, you know, they included.
I don't understand. Okay, she can't, because I'm coming, she can't go bring, get chicken once and make she microwave. She can't go bring the chicken, can't give me. I can't say no. I told you to bring the chicken and they will bring the bread. I'll take small and add to this chicken. He said, they just shared it for all of us. I said, what was my instruction to you? She just look me on. Then my mama said, but your daddy said is. He said, I didn't understand it like that. You know what shocked me for the whole thing? Now the confidence when she did they follow me talk. My daughter before normally go down to do feel like who won't cry.
She don't talk.
The girl on board well.
Generation.
Meanwhile, is it the true what she did mouth to follow me to talk? I said get out of my room. Normally if I say get out of my room, she go won't cry come on. She do walk out. I said come stop there. I said look, I'm disappointed in you. She walk out. I said my wife say. I'm disappointed you didn't affect your pikin again. Hey, this girl don't grow past me. Oh. I say, this girl from my hand. She hurts my feeling. And the one she move. Then the mama come call it, shout her name. She come say, what do you say when you do something wrong? Daddy, I'm sorry. I said, what is that? Why you just walked away? You didn't even say sorry. And I said, so you don't have feelings for daddy again. She's trying to look me. My mind, I like, I thought they lose this game. Now I can say, you said you wanted to eat chicken, Abi. I can't cost more for the chicken. Can't give me the remaining chicken. Yeah. She can't go. Now I come to my say, you see now, I don't lose your daughter. You know, so he paid me, said that I'm disappointed. You know, affect her again. Before, now that's why I say I need to look for another way. I have to affect this girl because all my old tricks don't work again. 8 years, my trick don't die finish.
Nah, Dodri, this song bring a lot of memories back, right?
Yes.
With dancer, anytime this song play with the dancer, guess what? This song now heartbreak song.
Yes.
Heartbreak, how?
Heartbreak, the musician.
The man, they say they just thought about in pain.
One get choppy money.
How he won't get choppy money leave.
Now they sing for that. Yes. We don't really know. You know, we don't really know what they sing. We just enjoy the beats.
The first time I read that, I felt bad. I be like, I use this song to win barrel.
This song not there sober now. But say they
heartbreak.
Now their
language sweet.
Sober with this kind of ginger and this kind of beat. Oh no. Normally growing up, we don't say heartbreak song now. Now slow song. Yes. Person go cry. You go do.
Usher sing that song.
Okay, yes, I say West.
Who they sing this kind of song for heartbreak? When people they dance? No.
They say this man now the Burna Boy now the last this song now last of their own
time.
Yeah, because a lot of people they always dance to last.
But last the message they is clear for you to see. Say I almost crashed Ferrari and all those things.
Let me say you always say I need it
I need that to come out of my head. But this one, the group for this song too much to be heartbreak song.
This for me, I see him as party groove.
Exactly.
If you read the translation, so when he get money, the girl deal with her. So when you not go get money, the girl can leave and can go meet another man. So I know it's where I can sing this.
No, we grew up with Bongo Zikwe now when I be searching for true love. After they tell us about Bangida Kola and wife.
I remember they do backup for one guy. The guy remixed the song. The song they sing them to me. Say
no, but Bangida Kola and wife. Then they sing. After he don't sing Mariana Woman, he can't sing. I've been searching for. We don't know.
But he said no. That can not happen.
Oh, Mariana, my darling Mariana. He said Bangida wife na Miriam. He said Mariana. How did you say we here growing up?
Oh, I see.
And now the woman he don't die since, so we don't really know. So maybe if I get chance to interview Bangida one day, I say, did you actually collect?
No, but like they tell you now, I say somebody remix this song. And they do backup for the person for your album. Now I can remix this song, can they sing them to me, saying they search for wife, saying believe say na me.
From backup, we want to become backup wife.
Oh yeah, maybe they don't they should do and like this.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.